Welcome to our free, self-paced beginner's crochet course. This training will give you everything you need to start this fun and rewarding craft. By the end of the course, you'll learn essential crochet knowledge and skills. Plus, you'll be able to crochet your very own hat. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. Crochet hook, yarn, scissors, and a yarn sewing needle. Optionally, you can use stitch markers. There is no need to purchase these items just yet. Later in the course, we'll provide all the information you need to know and guide you on what to buy, so you're fully prepared to follow along. Before we dive into the course, it's important to know that crochet involves repetitive hand movements, which can sometimes lead to discomfort or conditions like repetitive strain injury, tennis elbow, or carpal tunnel. While we don't offer medical advice, here are some helpful tips to minimize those risks. Take frequent breaks, use proper techniques, stretch your hands and wrists, and make adjustments when experiencing discomfort. Whether you're looking to make a gift or just want to learn a new hobby, this course is the perfect place to start. Let's get started.